What are virtual environments?
Virtual environments are isolated spaces on your computer where you can install and manage project-specific libraries and dependencies. This setup ensures each project uses exactly the versions of packages it needs, reducing conflicts and simplifying troubleshooting. Virtual environments are crucial when working with Python or similar languages, making development safer and more organized.
Why use virtual environments for library integration?
Using virtual environments protects your projects from dependency issues. Without them, different projects can overwrite each other's libraries, causing errors and unexpected behavior. Virtual environments keep everything separated so you can safely install, upgrade, or remove packages. This helps you test new libraries or features without risking your main system or other projects.
Popular tools for creating virtual environments.
The common tools for virtual environments include venv and virtualenv for Python. These tools create isolated folders with their own copies of Python and any installed packages. For other languages, tools like Node's NVM or Ruby's RVM serve a similar purpose. Choosing the right tool depends on your programming language and specific project needs.
How to set up a virtual environment. Python example.
To set up a virtual environment in Python, use the command python-m venv envname. This creates a new folder named envname. Activate the environment using source envname bin/activate on Mac or Linux, or envname script/activate on Windows. Once activated, any libraries you install will be contained in this environment, keeping your project dependencies separate.
Managing dependencies and staying organized.
Virtual environments let you use a requirements.txt file to record exactly which libraries your project uses. With commands like pip freeze times requirements.txt, you can save your environment's state, and pip install -r requirements.txt will set up another environment just like it. This makes collaboration and deployment much easier and safer for everyone involved.